Auto sweep in Tiger Brokers. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to auto sweep in Tiger Broker. So let's get started. First, open the Tiger Brokers application on your mobile device and log into your account. Then go to the Trade or MI section and locate Tiger Wallet, then tap on it. Inside Tiger Wallet, you will find the auto sweep option. Tap on it and tap Setup Auto Sweep. Then select a fund for each currency in your account, for example USD, SGD or HKD. Choose your preferred money market fund or investment option for auto sweep. Then review your selections and confirm the setup. Once enabled, your unused cash balance will automatically transfer to Tiger Wallet based on the selected fund. To pause auto sweep, you have to go to Tiger Wallet and here then select auto sweep settings and select a pause duration for 3, 7 or 10 days. And that's how you will be able to do auto sweep in Tiger Broker.